हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी विद सफल। आज मैं यहाँ पे आपको कुछ पढ़ाने नहीं बट एक जैकपॉट देने आई हूँ विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड बाय ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 11th स्पेशली, एंड every child required this at the end of the session in which they start preparing for the final exams. As you know, it is January, and in February or March, class 11 students have their final exams and they need something to prepare their syllabus in 30 days, 45 days, or 2 months. I must say, no, 2 months, 1 month is, you know, only left for their final exam. So I have a jackpot for you which you required in these days, and here is it. Was it what it is? I've already uploaded its picture, but then you must ask why I'm making the video. I'm making a video to clarify your doubts, and this is not a normal strategy video which every teacher on the YouTube make. But you know, every teacher on the YouTube, and I'm also 11th grader. Let me share my story. When I used to search something strategy video, like according in January of 1 month before my any sort of exam, I used to search what about strategy to crack the exam and to score 90% above or good marks. I used to get a hell lot of strategy video, but no one to tell me that this chapter you do it today, this chapter you do it tomorrow. Everyone told that divide your sub chapters in three things: hard, medium, easy. But how do I know which chapter I need to do, now and which tomorrow? So I got, answer of that here in this page. This is not a single page, this is a page which can decide your future. English thing says that a page cannot decide your future, but this page can decide a future of PCBE student. What I mean by PCBE, every teacher says that literature you don't stay focus on physics, chemistry, math, bio, not English. When you are free, just go for that. But no, English is very important and you need to give it time. So I'm here giving you the strategy, not a normal strategy where I'm telling you that on this date you need to do this subject and this chapter. It would be a jackpot for you. So watch till end, and if you like, only if you like, please subscribe the channel. And my rule of the channel is, first you need to bring a notebook where you will write all this thing. I've already uploaded this in the channel, but I want you to write it now because there are several changes which I want you to make in this, because this video is a little late, because I had fever, so it was a little late, but I'm so sorry for that. But now I'm fine. I'll make a video and I hope that you all scored good. So let's start with the video. Now, when I said that I'm a little late, I made this timetable from 28th December. Like, what was my agenda before making the dates? The main agenda was you should focus physics, like you should do physics every day. I'm sorry for the students who have taken maths as their subject. It's only for bio, as I am a bio student. So you in case of biology you can take maths if you think so. You can, like where I've written the subject biology, you can write it over maths, and you can say that, oh, like on this date I will do my first chapter, second chapter, third chapter. But I had nothing, no thing which can I give you here. So let's start with it. The main agenda I told you was that I should do physics every day, and one day chemistry, one day bio. So what about English? You told that you will do English. Your main focus is in English also. Yes. On Sundays we'll do English, and your fifth or sixth subject, I mean, like physical education or Computer science on Sundays. How many hours you want to spend on it, I don't care. You should also don't care. If you want to do on Sunday 3 chapters of English, because on the next Sunday you want to do something else, it's your choice. Like, you, there are several things which you can also add up on it, that we have total 4 Sundays between 28 January to 4 Feb. I made this with the 28 January till 4 Feb. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 Sundays. So you can manage like 3 Sundays. I'll complete my English revision, whole syllabus, and in rest of the 3 Sundays I'll do my fifth subject, whether it is physical education or computer science. It's up to you. But our main focus is on the days rest then Sunday. Let's start with it. On 29 Jan, so we are late. Today is 7 Jan. Okay, 7 Jan. So from 28 Jan to 7 Jan, the syllabus is pending. So before discussing with this, let us discuss after it, like 8 Jan. So take your pen, take your book and write it. And this is not that I'll complete the syllabus only one revision, only one time syllabus from 28 to 4 Feb. No. From 28, I have decided like from 28 December to 15 January, we'll complete syllabus in between these days. And then from 16 January to 4 Feb, there would be a revision, there would be test. If you want that I should, start the series, I may, but also at the end of the day, I also have exam on 9 Feb, which is my final exams. So if you need that, I'll surely make it. Before that, let's see what I did. On 8 January, which is Thursday, the time, as I've said, physics every day. It is physics and biology. Physics, thermal properties, and in bio, it is morphology of plants. On 9 Jan, Friday, physics, chemistry, physics, thermodynamics, and it's in chemistry, equilibrium. And now, if you're thinking that equilibrium, thermodynamics, both of physics and chemistry, different subjects, it would be very difficult to complete in one day. I can't do it. You need to do it because it's the last week. This will decide your future. This page will tell you that on which date you should do which chapter to come close to your path where your success is there. This will show you. This is very important. If you think this is not important, you can leave my video from me. Like, just go away. But the one who thinks this is important, please watch it till it's over. From 8 January, this is I'll tell you which chapter I'll do on which date. After that, from 16 January, the main thing is second coverage, which is revision. As completing syllabus is not, very good, but giving it a revision is more helpful than covering the syllabus. Okay? आप बेशक पूरा syllabus complete ना करो, but जितना करो, revise it 3 times, 2 times, 4 times, your wish. How much time you have, it depends on that. From 16 January, we'll do unit 7 and 8. You can revise. You have to revise. For chemistry, you have to revise 1 and 2. In between these, we also have a test that on this you can give test of this, and very important. I think it is very important for you. That's why I made a video. And now let's come to the point that I'm late till from 28 December to 7 Jan to how to cover the gap between them. So my dear, there is a Sunday English, which have a time of English in which you can just leave an English between and do your physics. It's up to you, dear. And on the other point, It is those winter holidays are going. It is the best opportunity for you to complete your syllabus, to cover your, backlogs and take your success. And the one who don't thinks this will work, they can't get success. I'm sure about that because they only want a short step. Every time displacement won't work. Sometimes distance work. This is a distance. And the one who think at one day before exam will watch one shot, my dear, it won't work. This will work. And if you don't want to follow this thing, make your own. I'm not saying that you follow this one, but you should follow your own. This is just a step, a page which is telling you that yes dear, in which on that day you should do that chapter. Not guiding you have to do this chapter. No. It's your choice. If you want to do something else, do it. But at the end you need to show the results. I know this is not the regular strategy video. It's something, something different, and I have put my best foot forward, and I don't know whether you like this or not, or you'll only like the strategy videos of your favorite YouTubers, which they say agar tumhe karna hai to you need to more give a motivation which acts like dopamine, but it's not. You don't you should be disciplined. This page don't give you motivation, but rather it give you discipline. It tell you that this date is fixed, this chapter is fixed on this date, and if I don't do it on this date, I'll have a backlog. It's not a motivation, it's discipline. As discipline, what is meant by discipline? Every day we follow a common routine and we approach to success. Not just that we are just at the one day before exam watching one shots, not practicing a question and hoping that I'll score 90%. Sorry, my dear. I hope you like this, and also watch if you want the complete, look of this. I've already uploaded the picture, but this video I made to tell you that what thing you should do on which date to more clarify your doubts. If you have any other doubt, you can comment. Thank you.